सबसे ज़्यादा है ये नेपाल, बंगाल, बेंगलोर, आंध्रा, तमिल, तेलुगु वाले जो साउथ उधर कोशिश करती है, पर घर जाके फिर लौट के तो आना ही पड़ती है यहाँ पे।
अच्छा।
क्योंकि घर पे कोई सुविधा तो होती नहीं है।
This is Delhi's GB Road. The name has been changed to Swami Shraddhanand Marg. But not much has changed in the lives of women who work as sex workers here. Organizations which work on the ground say that none of these women come here of their own will.
घर से मुश्किल रहती है, किसी के भाई भाभी परेशान,
अच्छा।
किसी के बाप या तो माँ परेशानी, गरीबी टाइप में।
As per the latest NCRB figures, 5,264 cases of human trafficking are reported in India in a year. 64% of these are women, out of which 48% are minors. As per data, most affected states are Bihar, Maharashtra and Telangana.
Most of the women and girls are trafficked from the rural belt to the city. A trafficker wants to bring them. There are many strategies they also plan. It is some of the times boyfriends, they are giving the false marriage assurance. They bring and they sell, or job assurance they are getting. So for job to earn more money they can come.
It's not just the women who are subjected to trafficking. A 2018 United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime Global Report on Human Trafficking says more than half the victims of forced labor are men.
मैं दिल्ली जुकी टिक्कर लाल बत्ती से रेस्क्यू किया गया था। उसके बाद मैं पढ़ाई लिखाई घर में आके किया, फिर बाल आश्रम में जाके किए। अभी मैं मुक्ति कारवा को नेतृत्व कर रहा हूँ। बच्चों से संबंधित जितने भी बुराइयां हैं उन सभी बुराइयों को खत्म करने के लिए गांव, शहर, नुक्कड़, गलियों में जाके लोगों के परिवारों से मिलके जागरूक कर रहे हैं।
Shariful was rescued by Bachpan Bachao Andolan run by Nobel winner Kailash Satyarthi. Women trafficked for sex work make around 20 to 30,000 rupees a month in a city like Delhi. But boys working as cheap labor barely make 500 rupees a month.
The age in which they are supposed to be studying, the age in which they are supposed to be playing like other kids, in which they have to face the work, they have to work, they have to face abuses, they have to be beaten up. Right? So you can very well imagine that how a child becomes submissive, they are not able to express themselves.
Experts say COVID-19 pandemic, worsening economic conditions will also lead to a rise in child trafficking for cheap labor.
With the lockdown, all the businesses have faced problems. The economic crisis they are also facing. So they all are looking for a cheap and the easy labor. In KCF, our sister organization, have done a study after the lockdown is done and the trafficking started. In last 2 months, we have rescued more than 300 children.
So more children are at risk and women at GB Road stare at no business as their clients fear COVID-19. IPC sections 366A, B, 370 and 374 penalize traffickers with imprisonment up to 10 years and a fine. Along with punishing traffickers, these people are also hoping for measures or aid from the government to improve their lives. With camera person Sushil Rathi, in New Delhi, Arun Singh for NDTV.